talk better, sound smarter, speak English fluently and confidently. Welcome to our channel, and thank you for joining today, because what you are about to hear might completely change the way you speak, think, and express your ideas in English, and maybe even in your own life. Because today, we are diving deep into the art of speaking English fluently, confidently, and intelligently. Not in a boring textbook way, but in a real-life, practical, powerful storytelling journey that helps you grow step by step into someone who communicates with clarity, confidence, and calmness. And we begin with a simple truth that many people never realize, which is that fluent speaking has less to do with big vocabulary and more to do with the courage to express simple ideas clearly. Because you can sound smart without using complicated words. You can speak confidently without sounding robotic, and you can communicate beautifully even with simple English. If you understand the secret pattern behind natural speaking, and that is exactly what I want to teach you through stories, examples, images, and ideas you can imagine while listening. So imagine this. You wake up one morning and you decide that today you want to speak better. You want to sound smarter. You want to express your ideas in English with the same confidence that you feel inside your mind. But the moment you begin speaking, everything suddenly becomes harder than it was in your thoughts. Your brain knows what to say, yet your tongue slows down. Your confidence drops. Your ideas become tangled, and you feel stuck between your thoughts and your words. This happens to millions of learners around the world, and maybe it has happened to you too. But here is something important you should know. Speaking fluently is not about being perfect. Speaking fluently is about being free. It means removing the fear of mistakes and replacing it with the joy of expression. Imagine walking into a room full of people and knowing exactly how to express your ideas calmly and confidently. Imagine being able to tell a story in English without stopping or hesitating. Imagine answering any question smoothly. Even when you are nervous, imagine sounding smart without forcing big or complicated words. Imagine your mind and mouth finally working together as one. And this transformation is not magic. It is method and mindset combined. So let's begin with a story, because stories help us learn faster than rules. Once there was a young man named Daniel who always wanted to speak English fluently, but every time he tried, he froze. He doubted himself. He felt shy. He worried about grammar, and he kept thinking others would judge him for making mistakes. One day his teacher said a sentence that changed everything. She said, "Daniel, you don't learn to speak by thinking. You learn to speak by speaking." And Daniel finally understood that thinking too much was his biggest obstacle. And maybe that is the same for you, because many English learners think more than they speak. They plan more than they practice. They worry more than they use the language. And the result is silence, hesitation, and lack of confidence. But here's what fluent speakers do differently. They speak even when they are not ready. They express even when they are afraid. They use simple words with strong clarity. They focus on connection, not perfection. And that is the key to sounding smarter. Speaking smarter does not mean using complicated words. Speaking smarter means expressing ideas clearly, confidently, and with a natural rhythm. This rhythm comes from learning phrases, patterns, and expressions that native speakers use all the time, such as, "Let me explain what I mean. Here's the thing. The point I'm trying to make is, from my perspective, what I'm trying to say is," These phrases help your brain relax while your speech becomes smoother and smarter because they act like bridges that carry your ideas forward without stopping. These patterns are like tools, and the more tools you have, the stronger your speaking becomes. And now let's talk about confidence, because without confidence, even the best vocabulary becomes useless. Confidence is built through small victories, through simple positive habits, through daily speaking moments, even if you speak alone, even if you speak quietly, even if you speak for only 5 minutes a day. Imagine yourself standing in front of a mirror and practicing your voice, tone, expressions, and sentences. Imagine repeating sentences like, I speak with clarity. I express ideas confidently. I improve every day. I don't fear mistakes because mistakes make me stronger. Affirmations like these are powerful because your brain believes what you repeatedly tell it. When you say, I speak confidently, your brain looks for ways to make it true. When you say, I improve every day, your brain focuses on progress, not perfection. And this is how fluency grows from inside out. Now here is another story. This time about a girl named Aisha. She studied English for 12 years in school, yet she could not speak confidently. She memorized rules, did grammar exercises, read books, but avoided speaking. One day she needed to give a presentation in English, and she was terrified. But something amazing happened. When she stood in front of her class, she took a deep breath and told herself, all I need to do is speak simply, clearly, and calmly. She did not use big words. She did not try to impress. She only tried to communicate. And surprisingly, everyone loved her presentation. Because what people want is clarity, not complexity. And that is the secret to sounding smart. You don't need complicated English. You need clean English. Clean English means simple words, strong sentences, clear ideas, confident delivery, no overthinking, no fear, simple, strong, smart speaking. Imagine this. Next time someone asks you a question, instead of searching for a complex answer, you take a breath and say, here's what I think, or here's the way I see it, or let me break it down for you. And suddenly you sound confident, intelligent, and natural because these simple expressions create an impression of clarity and organization. And now let's explore another part of fluent speaking, imagination. Many people do not use imagination when learning English, but imagination is one of the strongest tools for fluency. Because when you imagine a scene, a story, or a situation, your brain creates natural language around it. Imagine yourself walking through an airport and talking to a stranger. Imagine yourself ordering food at a restaurant. Imagine yourself being interviewed for your dream job. Imagine speaking to someone you admire. Imagine explaining a big idea in a simple, clear way. Imagination helps you practice without pressure, and that makes your speaking stronger every day. Now let's talk about sounding smarter through storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful way to speak because stories engage people. They make your speech memorable, interesting, and expressive. And you can tell simple stories about your life, your experiences, your challenges, your dreams, your lessons. Anything becomes powerful when told with feeling. For example, instead of saying, I woke up late, you can say, I opened my eyes, looked at the clock, and realized I was 20 minutes behind schedule. Suddenly, it becomes a moment, a picture, a mini story that sounds smarter, more engaging, and more natural. Storytelling transforms ordinary speech into expressive, confident speaking. Now let's talk about one more important idea: the power of pausing. Many learners think that speaking fast makes them sound fluent, but speaking fast only makes them sound nervous. The smartest speakers, the clearest speakers, the confident speakers all use pauses a lot. They speak in short, clear units of thought. They give the listener time to understand. They give themselves time to breathe. They do not rush. For example, instead of saying everything at once, you can say, "Let me tell you something." Pause. Here's the thing. Pause. When you pause, your speech becomes structured, your thoughts become organized, and your confidence grows. Next, let's talk about mindset. Your mindset is the engine behind your fluency. If your mindset is tense, stressed, or afraid, your speech becomes blocked. But if your mindset is calm, open, curious, and fearless, your speech flows more naturally. Repeat this in your mind every day. I am allowed to make mistakes. I am allowed to learn slowly. I am allowed to express myself freely. I am allowed to grow. My English is a journey, not a test. And now let's explore the idea of sounding intelligent with emotional clarity. Emotional clarity means expressing your feelings, thoughts, and experiences in a calm, thoughtful way, saying things like, "I believe the reason for this is," or, "After thinking about it, I realized," or, "I feel strongly about this because." These phrases show maturity, calmness, intelligence, and confidence. And the more you use them, the more natural and smart your speaking becomes. Now imagine yourself 1 year from now after practicing these techniques daily. Imagine yourself speaking smoothly, answering confidently, explaining clearly, engaging in conversations naturally. Imagine the feeling of freedom when English is no longer a struggle, but a tool that you use with ease, confidence, and comfort. Imagine telling your story to the world. Imagine inspiring others. Imagine expressing ideas that matter. Imagine becoming the best version of yourself through the power of communication. Because communication shapes identity. And when you improve the way you speak, you improve the way you see yourself and the way the world sees you. And remember, fluency is not about speaking more. Fluency is about speaking better. Fluency is about clarity. Fluency is about confidence. Fluency is about connection. Fluency is about expression. And sounding smart is not about using big words. Sounding smart is about expressing ideas in a meaningful, organized, thoughtful way. And that is exactly what you will continue to learn as you practice every day. And now, as we reach toward the end of this long journey, I want you to remember something important. Speaking English fluently is not a dream. It is a habit, a daily habit. Small steps, small sentences, small conversations every day. Small practice leads to big progress. And even listening to this entire script is a part of your improvement, because your brain absorbs patterns, rhythm, phrases, and style. And the more you expose yourself to long, natural, flowing English, the more naturally you begin to speak just like this. So keep going, keep learning, keep practicing, keep expressing, keep believing, because fluency is not far from you. It is inside you, waiting to be released. And with that, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself the chance to grow, to learn, to improve and to become more confident in your English speaking journey. This is your channel, your learning space, your growth journey, and we are always here to support you. So make sure to subscribe, stay connected, and keep improving every single day. Welcome to our channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can talk better, you can sound smarter, and you can speak English fluently and confidently, because your voice matters, your words matter, and you matter.